Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to do text classification using MediaPipe in native Android application. So yeah, let's get started. First I will show you the demo. So this is the text like shut up, which I am trying to classify. So I'm passing this text, but you can pass whatever text you feel like, and once I click on the classify button, it tries to identify the tone of my sentence. So if I click on the classify button, so here you can see the tone is negative. So yeah, that's what it is. Pretty simple. You can just test it with other text as well. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So here, as you can see, I have created an Android project. First, once you do that, you will have to go to the documentation, scroll down to the model section, click on this model section over here, and from over here you can download all this classifier. So there is this bird classifier as well as this average word embedding. I'm using this bird classifier. Once you download this, so I have like used both, but I think this was working better for me. Like for average word classifier I was getting the values in number, so I'm not really sure. So if you want, I can show that to you as well. Average word classifier. Okay, I think we'll see the docs. Okay, so here as you can see it is running, and I'm using the same sentence of shut up. Okay, if I try to click on classify now, here you can see it is saying 0. Maybe 0 is for negative and 1 is for positive. I'm not really sure. I'll change the sentence a little bit. Hello, how are you? Okay, and let's see what it prints now. Maybe it will print 1 or maybe some value greater than 0, but I'm not really sure. So here you can see it prints 1. So maybe 1 is for positive and 0 is for negative. So yeah, use whatever makes sense to you out of those two TensorFlow Lite models. So what you have to do is, once you downloaded this two TensorFlow Lite model, just right click, new folder, assets folder, click on finish, and I have already created this assets folder. Inside that you will have to drag and drop your two TensorFlow Lite model. Then you will have to go to build.gradle.kts, and I have added this dependency for MediaPipe. So this is the new thing in Android Studio Iguana. So if you go to, so just add this, then you will have to go to libs.versions.toml, and you will have to add this bit of dependency line, and this bit of as well task test. Okay, once that is done, just click on sync now. All right, next you will have to go to activity _ main, and here you can see I'm just taken a text view as well as one button. That's it. Next, inside main activity, as you can see, I'm using this current. Change whatever name you want to use for your TensorFlow Lite. Okay, then I'm creating our base options builder. From that I'm creating our base options, then I'm creating options builder, and from that we are creating our options. Then I have initial created variable for text classifier, then we are creating text view as well as a button, and then we are initializing text view and button. Here we are initializing our text classifier as well, and on button click I'm moving it to an IO coroutine and just passing whatever text you want to classify to the classify method of our text classifier. And once we get it, we are again moving back to the main thread, and I'm just checking over here if the data is not equal to empty, and if it is not, then I'm just getting the categories, and if the categories is also not equal to empty, then I'm just printing the category name as well as the display name to our text view. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.